Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing. Dear student, our topic is about charcoal drawing. Artist charcoal is a form of dry art medium made of finely ground organic materials that are held together by a gum or wax binder or produced without the use of binders by eliminating the oxygen inside the material during the production process. These charcoals are often used by artists for their versatile properties, such as a rough texture that leaves marks less permanent than other visual art media. Charcoal can produce lines that are very light or intensely black, while being easily removable, yet well to leaving stains on paper. The dry medium can be applied to almost any surface from smooth to very coarse. The method used to create artist charcoal is similar to that employed in other fields, such as producing gunpowder and cooking fuel. The type of wood material and preparation method allow a variety of charcoal types and textures to be produced. Charcoal is a smooth yet brittle material that has similar properties to chalk pastel. The dark substance comes in different forms. Some are hard while others are soft, but overall it offers a quick sketching experience. Lighter, less dense charcoal is particularly adept at flying over the page and is great for casual sketches. But don't underestimate the incredible depth it can achieve. If you are working on a drawing that has deep shadows, charcoal will have the rich black tones you want to convey that sort of intensity. Types of charcoal. There are three popular types of charcoal. All are used for drying, but each has special qualities that make them appropriate for different points in your art. Willow and vine charcoal comes in long, wispy strips. It is the most delicate of the charcoal, and you don't have to press very hard on your page to use it. This makes it best for quick sketches where you are trying to capture something as it's happening. Your hand will glide across the page. Because wine charcoal is so delicate, you can easily crush it between two fingers. You can't get as dark as you would with other types of charcoal. If you are going to use it for a more polished drawing, you will want to reserve it for the lighter values. Compressed charcoal. Compressed charcoal has a very similar structure to chalk pastels. It is powdered charcoal held together with a binder of gum or wax. This type of charcoal is harder than willow and vine, and it will maintain its shape as you draw. Because of this, it's great for detail in a charcoal drawing with fine lines and texture. Compressed charcoal comes in sticks or its more popular pencil form. The pencil is very handy because you can sharpen to get a nice point. Powdered charcoal. Wine and compressed charcoal are both in stick form and can be held in your hand. Powdered charcoal, in contrast, is exactly how it sounds. it's dusty. To use this, you will want to have a paintbrush or cloth handy and be prepared to get messy. Dear students, I am giving you the home task to make a landscape painting in charcoal. But first of all, I would like to share about some landscape painting in charcoal. So it will help you in your practical work. So, charcoal painting. You can see another beautiful example of landscape painting in charcoal. Another one, charcoal. You can see the beautiful rendering of charcoal in these landscape painting. It will help you in your practical work. Another one, you can see the perspective. Beautiful rendering of charcoal on paper. Another one, another one. Thanks.